Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn about page break in MS Word and the use of it. How we can use page break while writing our proposal or project reports in MS Word. So for that let's open MS Word first. Blank page. Let's say I will create 3 pages to properly understand the use of page break in MS Word. We can see I have created 3 pages in this document. What I will do is I will first insert page number. Let's say I will insert page number on the top of the page. So I have 1, 2 and 3. Under home section I will click on this button to visualize our page break. So there are no page breaks right now. Now when let's say I will place my cursor at the bottom of the first page. Then I will go to design layout tab, then click on breaks and then click on next page. Now we can see that from the cursor where I placed, a section break has been created from the next page, meaning from the next page the document is categorized into another section. Now we'll click on this page number and we can see the link to previous menu is highlighted, meaning till now even after the page break the second page is linked with the first page. But if I unselect it, now my second page is not linked with the first page. And to properly understand the use of page break, let's say I will remove this page number. What we will see is now the page number has been removed from the second page and third page, but the page number is still available on the first page. Now let's say I will modify the format of the page. Let's say it will be in Roman format. Okay, so my first page is in Roman format. Let's say I will have a numeral page number in this from the second page. So I'll go to page number. I'll place the cursor in the second page. I'll go to page number. Then I will insert the page on the top of the page. I'll click here. Now we can see first page is in Roman format. From the second page it is in numeral format. Let's say I want to start it with 1. I'll click on format, start at 1. Okay, now you can see the page number has been started from 1 to, and the first page is still in Roman because the link between the second page and the first page has been broken. So anything happening in the second page is not now linked with the first page. So in this way, while creating a project for table of contents, for summary, abstract, you can place this new Roman format page number, and for the main body you can place the numeral format page number, and in this way in a single document you can write your entire project. And you can also create the section break on multiple parts of the document as per your necessity. So this is the use of page break, a simple example of it. So thank you for watching my video. Please do consider subscribing if you'll find it found it useful. We will meet in next video.